Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking a specific LLM research question and scoping it tightly. This prevents drifting later. Once chosen, draft a one-page proposal that states the problem, contribution, and 3 key objectives. Make sure to agree milestones and communication cadence with your supervisor. Set weekly check-ins. Simultaneously verify data, compute, and ethics approvals so you won't be blocked. Start literature triage now. Collect 30 core papers. Tag by method, dataset, and gap. This gives immediate direction. Now build your methods and experimental plan with reproducibility at the center. You should pick baselines, evaluation metrics, and at least one ablation to isolate effects. Once done, create automated pipelines for preprocessing, training, and evaluation. Save seeds, hyperparameters, and environment specs. Make sure to version datasets and code using Git and dataset checksums. Run pilot experiments to validate runtime and expected variances, then scale experiments. Regularly summarize interim results in tables and short figures to guide interpretation. In the final phase, convert results into a coherent narrative, methods that justify choices, results that support claims, and a candid limitations section. Make sure every table or figure has a takeaway sentence. Write the abstract and introduction last to reflect the finished story. Prepare a concise slide deck and rehearse the defense, timing answers, and predicting 5 to 7 tough questions. If experiments underperform, pivot, emphasize validated findings, reduce speculative claims, and explain replanning as future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.